Today we have discussed about the syllabus of BTech first year semester 1 AAS 103A. The subject name is differential calculus and linear algebra. There are four credit subjects. Again, this is very important. They have 60 hours to complete this course. Course objective is apply matrix algebra technique to solve problem in structural analysis, in finite element analysis, and transportation engineering. Now the second is apply multivariable differential calculus and optimization technique to civil engineering problem. Use multiple integral to determine area, volume and other engineering quantities in civil engineering application. Apply vector space concept and linear transformation in serving CAD, fluid mechanics and computational engineering. Apply vector calculus to analyze structure system, fluid flow, hydraulics and finite element model. This is the course objective. Now proceed from course content in this subject of unit 1 है matrix algebra. In matrix algebra है the introduction of matrix, elementary transformation, inverse of E transformation, rank of matrix by Euler form, solution of system of linear equation by direct method, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं क्या Gauss elimination method, and interactive method, Gauss-Seidel method, eigenvalue, eigenvector diagonalization. This is all about of matrix algebra and their application is structure analysis, finite element analysis, transportation engineering. This is all about of unit 1. Now proceed to unit 2. In unit 2, differential calculus. In differential calculus have the introduction of limits, continuity and differentiability for function of two variable, partial derivative, composite function, total derivative, Euler theorem for heterogeneous fixed function, Taylor and Maclaurin's expansion for function of two variable, Jacobian properties of Jacobian, maxima minima for the function up to two variable. Again, this unit 2 is very important for your syllabus, for your examination also EQ. Their application is structural engineering, optimization of design, hydraulics and fluid mechanics. Now proceed from unit 3. In unit 3 have multiple integral. In multiple integral have evaluation of double and triple integral, change of order of integral, integration, change of variable, double integral, beta and gamma function, properties of beta and gamma function, Dirichlet integral, application of double integral and triple integral to find area and volume. Again, one question always in AQ examination, area and volume related to this. Their application is area of individual surface, volume of solid, fluid mechanics and hydraulics. Now proceed from unit 4. In unit 4 have vector space over the fluid field of real number, subspace, spanning set, linear independence, basic and dimension, linear transformation, range of null space, rank nullity theorem, matrix of linear transformation, and the application is surviving and geometrics, fluid mechanics, machine learning and data analysis, computer aided design जिसको बोलते हैं CAD. Now the unit 5 is vector calculus. In vector calculus have the scalar point function, vector point function, gradient of scalar field, directional various derivatives, divergence and curl of vector function, and their application of solenoidal and in rotational vector respectively, integration of vector, Stokes theorem and Gauss divergence theorem without proof, and their application is structure emerging hydraulics and fluid mechanics, fluid flow analysis, finite element analysis बोलते हैं FEA. This is all about of unit 5. Now proceed for course outcome statements of unit 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now the unit 1 is apply matrix algebra to solve system of equation and analyze civil engineering problem. In unit 2 apply partial differentiation and multivariable calculus techniques to solve civil engineering problem. In Unit 3, apply multiple integral to determine area, volume and engineering quantity. In Unit 4, apply vector space and linear transformation of engineering and modeling and compute computation. Now Unit 5 है apply vector calculus to analyze fluid flow, structure field and other civil engineering application. This is all about of Unit 1.